All right, here we go, man. So this is reviewing losing trade, trading NQ. And yes, I'm wearing sunglasses because my eyes hurt. So let's get into it, dude. Um, so if we did not watch the previous video, I just posted a previous video of me taking the entry. So we did drop 450 points almost. And so let me see here, because I want to make sure I include everything for you guys. So I'm looking at my other monitor right now. Okay. So this is basically why I took this trade, and it's right there. So let's go down. I'm gonna show you guys why this was good and why this was also bad, and we could possibly see another entry for the PM session as soon as we swipe this. As soon as we sweep these sell stops right here. So to get the big picture of things in terms of like structure, right? Intermediate high respected long-term high, short-term high respected intermediate high, sells right there. All right, cool. So we did create an SMT on ES earlier. That's what I was trying to look at. So let me switch it over real quick to show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is an ICT term called SMT divergence. I freaking hate this term, but it can be useful. So basically, we went lower low, lower low, or lower high, to which gives me like bullish bias, and so that just kind of made me think like, okay, cool. Maybe we don't have to take out this low over here. Or no, this is what it was, dude. Yeah, I knew I was tripping. So this right here, YM made the SMT divergence, which is right here. So what happens is price has, let's just say, structure. So we went lower low, lower high, and then lower low. So I was, and this is where it comes into play right here. All right, I kind of butchered that. So over here on YM, we went lower low, lower low. Now let's go back to NQ. Like I said, I freaking hate this term, dude. So we have lower low, then we have a lower high. Or we have a higher low right here because this low is higher than this low. So that gave me the inclination of like, okay, YM swept that low. NQ did not. So I'm treating it as if it did by using the SMT divergence. Okay, so cool. That's it. So now why would I enter a trade right here? Because we still have not set off these buy stops. We still have not hit this. I thought what we were going to do was we were going to come up, sweep this short-term high right here, draw down into a discount, then take it up, and then from there, we were going to manipulate up to then come down shorter, okay? So we ended up not doing that. What we're probably going to end up doing is, see how all these candles are getting smaller? That means that it's getting a little weak, so we're going to set off these sell stops, close back into the range, then possibly take this out during the PM session. So yeah, that's me taking in my opinion, that's very clean. That's me taking a $1,200 loss for the day, and I'm risking up. So yeah, that's basically it. And so whenever we got into this fair value gap right here, we also took we took out this short-term low in here as well, which gave me the inclination, oh shoot, we have sell stops resting above a fair value gap. We're going to tap into this gap. So this is what I want to say about this, right? This is why it's still a good trade in my opinion. Because look right here, dude. Right here. What is that right there showing you? That right there is showing you willingness for a reversal. And that's what led me to think that we were going up, ultimately. So yeah, that right there showed me willingness to go up. We're going to come back down into a discount, and then we're going to shoot back up. Possibly towards equilibrium, but most importantly, I thought we were going to set off these buy stops. I think that would have been great. It would have been scripted great. And then we would have crashed back down, set off sell stops, then came back up higher, which would create our rally to equilibrium. So very good. I don't give a shit, man. It's the right idea on things for me. So yeah, I was just wrong, which that's what it's all about. You know, and if you fully believe in yourself, nothing's gonna impair that belief, you know. So yeah, let me go over some notes real quick. At the end of the day, bro, that's an A+ setup for me. I love that. I really, really like that. And on top of that, we did invert a gap, which some people probably bought in right there as well. I would say that's a good trade, bro. Because yet again, we still have a huge long-term high that has to get swept. So there's liquidity resting above there, which we can manipulate to then bring the market lower. So let me go over some good notes. Let's see. If you're gonna be tired and act like a puppy and stay on the porch and let the big dogs eat. Bro, that's hilarious. But all seriousness, you have what you think you don't, and you have to believe it 100%. That's how I'm gonna end it off. Man, if you truly don't believe in yourself, that for psychological purposes in trading, it really, really affects you, because some people take a loss and they don't know how to act off of it, you know. Some people don't know how to come on the charts and stay away from the buy or sell button. This right here, man, I am kind of pissed though, but it's all good, man. I mean, live for another day, live to trade another day. So yeah, with that being said, man, that's going to be the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys can learn. And peace out. Bye.